Okay, so once all my microphones are in position, I'm now going to worry about microphone cables. I will do this in exactly the same order as I set up the microphones. So I'll start off with the kick drum mics, then I'll move roads onto the snare drums, then the hats, etc, etc. Organisation is key. Bear in mind you could end up with 13 microphone cables floating around and you're not going to know which one is which. So take your time and work through each microphone one at a time and write down exactly where on the wall box that microphone is plugged into. And that makes your life easier when you get it back into the control room and you know exactly where each microphone is coming into the desk. Okay, cable management is a key issue when recording drums because obviously you've got 13 microphones potentially, that's 13 microphone cables, and it can become very hazardous inside a drum booth. So a little bit of straightforward management is key, and generally what I tend to do is twice round the boom of the mic stand, and I can now plug in the other end into the wall box like so. Any excess cable then for this particular microphone can be coiled up and kept with that mic stand and that microphone. This allows any issues with cables not working or microphones not working to be easily resolved because you're not going to have to trip up over all the other cables.